Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be making fishbowl slime, but I'm doing it a little bit differently. I'm going to have to use a slime I already made and then just put the fishbowl beads in it because I got glue, but it was from the dollar store. And I tried to use it, but it didn't work. So I thought maybe if I added a little lotion to make it more thick and creamy instead of literally jelly, it would work. But then I remembered that I don't have lotion. Yay! Now that I think about it, I could have added shaving cream, but I didn't think of it then. So yeah, but anyways, I forgot to mention this in my last video. But no, not all my videos will be makeup videos. I just really like makeup. And also, I will start posting videos every Saturday and or Sunday, because if I don't have time one of the days, I'll definitely post the other. But if it's like this weekend, I have time both days, then I will post both days. So anyways, let's get started. I'm just using bracelet beads because I couldn't find any actual like decorative filler beads. So, yeah. I'm just going to put the beads into a container and then drizzle the slime into it. Why is this bag so stubborn? Okay, whoa. I lost one. Now I only have 399. Oh, there's one. I thought I dropped another one. So here are all of the amazing bristle beads, and I'm going to do it with a slime that I called Peach Fluff. You might remember the video. It smells so good, but yes, it is the fluffy slime that I made. Super cool. And, just because I feel like it, I'm going to do something. I'm going to add a little teensy bit of pigment. I know it doesn't really do anything for white glue slimes, but it's fun to add it. I just like mixing it in. But anyway, this is a really good slime, and I'm sad to let it go, but it's going to turn into fishbowl slime. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to break a little piece off and try it first so that I don't ruin my slime. Oh, I don't have another container? Oh, okay. I'll just drip some in. First, I'm just going to mix the bracelet beads in. I'm just doing it to a little part because I don't want to completely mess up my slime. Oh, I guess it feels kind of cool. Yeah, it's actually pretty awesome. Gonna add some. Yeah, so bracelet beads definitely work because I just added some to this. That's already amazing. But I am gonna put this to the side and go with this now. Here it goes. Bye-bye slime. Now we're going to turn into fishbowl bead slime. It's hard to get them to stick in while you're mixing them, But then once you actually have some in, it's so cool. So yes, I'm doing more than this because I'm going to make it like fishbowl bead slime. So yeah, but I think I'm going to do it by just sprinkling like a couple on, like that. This is actually pretty amazing. And I really like it because in the end, even when there isn't bubbles in it, it's going to be super crunchy. I did hear that bracelet beads work, but when I looked, there weren't any clear ones, so I got kind of worried that this kind don't work, but they're working well, so I'm happy. And this slime, even though it's like a fluffy slime, so they're not really sticky. If anything, they're like not stretchy at all and like rippy. But this was actually like sticky but rippy at the same time. So the beads are sticking in pretty well, I guess. Not really, but that's okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah, they're not sticking at all, but that's okay. It's not the point. Because look at this one, I let it sit and now they're sticking in. And they're super colorful, which just makes the slime even better. But I'm probably going to not put it in the bag and put it in the container that I'm using now. And now that I think about it, today was probably not the best day to do this video because it's cold out, and I'll show you actually. Remember this slime that was sticky? Well, now it's it's just because of the weather, because yesterday it was like normal and yesterday it was warm. It's harder, but that's okay because next week it's supposed to be warm. So I'll just let any slime that gets hard sit by my window. But I'm actually kind of surprised that the slime that I'm adding the beads into isn't hard. Add some more because I want to make this look super crunchy. No, a little bead is stuck. No. Okay. Marker. Yes. And now lost it. But this is super crunchy, and I really like it, but still want to add more beets. I really like adding the beets. I'm just going to put it in again. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, because I got beads all over the place for you guys. Yeah, beads are falling out everywhere, but I still really like it. And even though the beads are falling out, I still want to add more. And besides, the ones that are actually mixed in, they are not falling out. It's just the ones that I'm just mixing in now. I think what's good is, I suggest that you guys definitely do this because I really like this slime. But I definitely suggest putting your beads, I just have a couple left, in a container. Drizzling the slime into the container, but then taking it out and mixing them in, because when they're in the container, it's just more beads while you're trying to mix in beads, so they won't stick in. But if you just put them in to get some beads on the slime, and then you actually knead them in, it's much better that way. No, all these beads, oh my god. I need like all of the beads. Ooh, you know what'll probably be cool? In like a couple of days or a couple of hours, if I keep it in the container, a bunch of beads will probably rise to the top. Oh yay, a ridiculous amount of beads is falling out. Yeah, I want to make it stop falling out beads. I want to make it to a little circle. And I'm going to do it slow. See, when I stretch it, a lot of beads come out, and I get mad. So I'm going to try to get all the beads in. I'm going to play with it just to let some beads come out. I'll clean up all the beads, and then I'll do the same thing with another little slime that I have. Here. I'm going to put this to the side and get some beads in the container, because a ton fell down here. And I have another little slime that I was thinking about using, but I thought it would be too little. But now that I just have a couple of slimes left, or a couple beads left, it'll be okay. So let me just get all of these.